Well, we are discussing about digestive glands. Look at this diagram. This diagram showing relative position of liver, gallbladder, stomach, duodenum, and pancreas. We know liver is one of our digestive gland and it is the largest digestive gland. And we also know that pancreas is also an important digestive gland. Now, liver. This is liver, human liver. It is reddish brown in color and situated in the upper abdominal cavity below the diaphragm. This is the diaphragm. And you know what is abdominal cavity? The cavity lies below the diaphragm is called abdominal cavity. And upper portion of liver, this is convex, and lower portion of the liver, it is concave. It is concave. Now, upper surface of the liver, it is divided into two lobes, right lobe and left lobe. This is right lobe of liver, this is right lobe of liver, and this is left lobe of liver. The left lobe, this lobe, is smaller to provide space for the stomach. That means this is the position of the stomach. This is stomach just below the left lobe of liver. So, left lobe of the liver is small because it provides space for stomach. Now, look the diagram very carefully. We know liver excretes bile. What is bile? It is alkaline, yellowish, bitter, secretory as well as excretory product of liver, and it is stored in the gallbladder. This is the gallbladder. So, bile is produced here. Bile is produced here. And after production or after formation, bile is stored into gallbladder. How? Look here. This is left hepatic duct. Left hepatic duct collects bile from the left lobe of the liver, and this is right hepatic duct. This is right hepatic duct, and it collects bile from right lobe of liver. And now this RHD, right hepatic duct, and this LHD, that is lower, that is left hepatic duct, unites here to form common hepatic duct or CHD. Now this is gallbladder. Bile from common hepatic duct enters into the gallbladder through cystic duct. This duct is cystic duct. Do you follow? This is cystic duct. And bile from gallbladder, when required, passes into the common bile duct. Why it is a common bile duct? This is common hepatic duct, and this is common bile duct. See here, this cystic duct unites with common hepatic duct to form common bile duct. This is the common bile duct. And you know, this is stomach and this is duodenum, first part of small intestine. This is duodenum. And it is a C-shaped. And here we have pancreas. This is pancreas. This is pancreas. It is a mixed gland. It is excretory as well as endocrine gland. Exocrine gland as well as endocrine gland. Now, this is pancreatic duct. This is pancreatic duct. Pancreatic juice, that is digestive juice, enters into the pancreatic duct, and this pancreatic duct unites with common bile duct. This is common bile duct and this is pancreatic duct. This pancreatic duct unites with this common bile duct to form common hepatopancreatic duct. Common hepatopancreatic duct. This portion of the duct is called common hepatopancreatic duct. And this common hepatopancreatic duct opens into the duodenum through ampulla of Vater. This is ampulla of Vater. This is ampulla of Vater. Do you follow? Now, I told earlier, that is bile is secretory as well as excretory product of liver. Now, components of bile. Total volume of bile 500 to 1000 ml. And this bile is alkaline in nature. 98% of the constituent of bile This is water. So water is about 98%, and solid constituent is about 2%. Do you follow? Now, among 2% solid constituent, 1% is inorganic component, and there sodium chloride, potassium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, calcium carbonate, and we have bile salts and bile pigment also. Sodium taurofolate and sodium glycopolate are two bile salts, and among pigments there are bilirubin, biliverdin, and there is also fatty acid, cholesterol, etc. Now, what is the function of this bile? First, neutralization. Neutralization means we know chyme produced within stomach. It is acidic in nature, and chyme from stomach enters into the duodenum, and this chyme is acidic in nature. Now, bile neutralizes the acidity of chyme and provides alkaline medium to activate enzymes of pancreas and intestine. And bile salts emulsify fats into smaller particles, and actually this is called emulsification of fat. Bile helps emulsification of fat, and bile salt make insoluble fats soluble in water for the action of enzymes. So, the interesting matter is that within bile there is no digestive enzymes. Bile is without digestive enzyme, but it is very much essential for digestion of fat. Without bile, digestion of fat is not possible. One hand, and other hand is that as bile is alkaline in nature, it neutralizes the acidity of the chyme and helps pancreatic enzymes and intestinal enzymes. Those are alkaline in nature. As bile neutralizes the acidity of the chyme, these enzymes
are activated.
activates these enzymes activate properly, Okay, do you follow?
As bile neutralizes the acidity of the chyme, pancreatic enzymes and intestinal enzymes are activated properly. Okay? So these are all about liver and bile. Okay?